Simple wood projects. A lot of people get overly arrogant when it comes to me. They take on big projects too early and end up failing or hire a professional. Unreliable sources may be the culprit if they offer beginner projects that are not really suitable for beginners. We don't want to waste your time and money on something like this, so we've done the hard part for you and rounded up the best woodworking projects for beginners. But before we continue, if you're looking for a more diverse selection of simple, average, and complex woodworking projects to challenge your skills, here's a great collection of woodworking blueprints. Click the button for more details. 10 awesome woodworking projects for beginners. 1. Simple wall shelf. 2. Porch or garden table. 3. Sofa sleeve and cup holder. 4. Candle holder. 5. Wooden media box. 6. Address number wall planter. 7. Cookbook stand or tablet holder. 8. Scrap plywood candle holders. 9. Big bathtub tray. 10. Wooden doormat. Learn more. Click the link description below for more details.